Good morning, students of grade 8. This is our lesson number 9, and you know very well that what we did this unit number 2 in our previous lesson. The first page I explained it, we did it. Now we are going to do this page number 14. I'm going to read it and explain it, but just pay attention, right? Iqbal's Najwan is Mard-e-Momin, Mujahid, Shaheen, an explorer, an adventurer, and seer. Now, Iqbal's Najwan, he's Mard-e-Momin. Mard-e-Momin, you know the qualities of Momin, that he isn't afraid of anyone, he's brave, he know how to face the hardships, everything. Mujahid, you know the qualities of Mujahid. He is very committed towards his goals. Shaheen, you know what is Shaheen? Shaheen is an eagle, and Shaheen, he flies high in the sky. He plays for himself. He is very active and smart. So Iqbal's Najwan, he's Mard-e-Momin, he's Mujahid, he's Shaheen, he's explorer. He wants to explore everything, and adventurer and seer. Seer means he look far, always he look far, whose aim is going higher and deeper like eagle. You know that how eagle fly. He fly high, and he swoops down, and he catches his prey to explore new world in uncharted water of creativity and intellectual pursuit. The youth of Iqbal is a strong believer in Ishq. Now, what is Ishq? Ishq is something that you for Ishq you can do anything, right? So Iqbal's youth or Iqbal's youth is the strong believer in Ishq. He want to or he knows how to achieve his goals, a creative and dynamic energy that helps the youth to discover and subdue new stars of originality and individuality. Now dynamic means active, right? So he is very active. He has the energy that helps him to discover and subdue. Subdue means to bring under control new stars of originality and individuality. He wants to do something new. He wants to do something extra, right? Moreover, Iqbal's Najwan is a man of khudi. Khudi means he knows himself. Khudi, but you know what is khudi, right? Khudi means the one who knows about his abilities, about his creativity. So Iqbal's Najwan is a man of khudi. The absolute khudi is infinitely creative. Knowing thyself and success shall be thine. Now this is old English. Know thyself, know yourself, and success shall be thine, and success shall be yours. Thine means yours. So know yourself means you should know about your abilities, you should know about your skills, and success shall be thine. Iqbal expresses, if a man becomes emperor of himself, then he can lead the world in his own direction, right? And such a person can find out with his sagacity the pearl of future for the coming generation. And such people, they find the pearl for the future generation. वही है साहिब अमरोज़ जिसने अपनी हिम्मत से ज़माने के समंदर से निकाला गोहर फरदा. Now गोहर फरदा किसको कहते हैं? कीमती मोती, precious stone. And साहिब अमरोज़ means सुबह शाम. वही है जिसने सुबह शाम अपनी हिम्मत से ज़माने के समंदर से निकाला क्या? कीमती मोती, पत्थर. But the youth of Iqbal is not contented. Contented means satisfied with what he has created or invented. The spirit of Ishq, another name for perpetual struggle. Perpetual means what? For a long time, right? Spurs him to beyond the stars that he has discovered with his foresight. Foresight means to look far. The motive of Iqbal's youth is to pursue his intellectual and spiritual goals and then continue his journey beyond these goals. हर एक मकाम से आगे मकाम है तेरा, हयात ज़ौक़ सफ़र के सिवा कुछ और नहीं. ज़ौक़ सफ़र means interest of something. Hayat means zindagi, right? So this is enough for today. Thank you so much.